Alrighty, then I'm back actually. I was about to call Shashank, then he said no, don't call me, so I just skipped the idea. And really, whatever happened to him, that's not good at all. But at the end, he has no other choice except managing the things the best way possible. He actually asked me not to call him, so I will not be calling. I hope he's gonna be able to just manage the things the best way possible. Let's continue from here on. Let's do the things that in our hands and continue from here on. Okay, so we were here and we had to just simply work on this particular thing. So let's go to that share model. I have this dialog and other things over here. This dialog is ultimately the model, and I'm gonna be having this button in the model itself, right, to close the model. So just a sec, where did I have that? No, let's simply go on with this. Let's go to the profile model, and inside this profile model, these are the buttons. So where is the profile model? This is the profile model, password input and all, and then I had profile model buttons just inside the dialog itself. So inside the dialog I have to have that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So let's go to the share model. This is the dialog button, and this is all I have inside the dialog. Then I have h3 and all, and this is another div that I have. Div. Let's keep the things here, paste it on, and handle save password. Let's do one thing. On click is gonna be just like this. Alrighty, as simple as that. And the first one is gonna be I will have a create button over here, so why not have it all over there? You are so good person. Oh, thanks. I was about to call you, just asked me not to, so that is why I just then skipped the idea. Just do let me know if there's anything else I can help with. I will definitely do my level best from my own side. As for you, just hold yourself together. If you need anything from me, let me know anytime. If there's a button, closing the model. Let's get rid of this button from here on. And it's actually gonna be like this. I have this close button. This is gonna be just a cross button right now, just like this. And as for this one, this is going to be inside that particular box. That means cut it from here, and this is the button that I have. Let's paste it over here. Let's make it class name is gonna be relative, and over here this is gonna be absolute. It should be top 0. No, my sys take me us now. Okay, glad to know that UCS is there. Can't really do, bro. I mean, this is what the life is. You cannot run away from it, because of course this is on you right now. So yeah, do your level best. Just get stronger, as simple as that. I mean, you do not really have any other option now. Doesn't matter how it is. Top 5, and right is gonna be 3 or something. Don't know whether it's right or wrong, but never mind. Let's make it 5 too. Top is gonna be just 5. Right 5. This is how it's gonna be going on. And let's see how it looks like. Click on the share button, it simply appears. It is here. The fact is that I I actually gotta get rid of this particular thing from here. And this whole thing is going to be absolute. Let's make it absolute over here. Okay bro, love you bro. Like, just take care. If there's anything, let me know. Just make sure that you are fine. Again, in life you've got too much, so that's unavoidable, but ultimately make sure you are there taking care of yourself really well. So it looks like this. PXPY. Let's give it this padding of 2. It's getting padding by from somewhere. Let's try this thing, and as for this thing, this title, it's gonna having my margin top of 10 around. Let's see how it's gonna be looking like. That's again too much, kind of. Let's keep it here and let's try to design now, so that we can just simply look at the result as well. Okay, so as for this margin, let's make it 5. It's like that. As for that 5, let's make it 3 around. Okay, let's get rid of this pages here and all. Even let's get rid of this completely. Okay, as for the text is gonna be wide and text is gonna be large. Text is gonna be bold as well. Font is going to be bold. That's gonna be extra large. Let's make it 2XL. Get rid of this font bold. Okay, this is all that I can do for now, and as soon as I hover over that, how about text blue 500 or maybe 300. Okay, this is how it looks like. I click on that and I can get rid of that as soon as I hover over that. So it will scale by 102 or something. Scale. Click on share. How about making it 109? Duration is gonna be 100 milliseconds, and duration is already there if I'm not wrong. Scale 105. There is duration of something. Yeah. Is in out. I can just simply get rid of this. And then I have your second brain. Let's change the mode. Can't really do that. And now check it out. Share button. This looks like this. I gotta make it blue directly, and there is no dark mode. So dark blue. Otherwise on light mode, this is gonna be BG. Good consistency, coding experts. Thank you very much. Today I will get this project done anyway. this braille one, and then I will start focusing on some other things. Text blue 500. So this is how it's gonna be looking like. Okay, one more thing I can say, as soon as I hover over it, font is gonna be bold. This is too much. Duration should be a little more. So let's make it 200. Control Z, and let's make duration 200. Okay, not bad. So this is fine, and let's work on these things. Having said that, let's get rid of this. Switch to dark mode. It rather looks better. Okay, now let's start working on these things. The next thing is gonna be this one. Okay. First of all, let's give it margin top maybe 5. Does it work or not? What all do I have inside this? I have this particular div. This is just a button that is absolute, so I don't need to worry about this. I have this h3. Okay, and then I have this space bar. Let's make it around 10. So this is how it looks like right now, and then I can have the remaining things. So when it comes to these, first of all, your link. First of all, let's make it even I need a button. Button for create share link, create share link, and then flex column. That's fine. Let's give it some styling and all. Class name, digit linear 2R from blue 500 to cyan 500. Text is gonna be large. Rounded LG. PX not PY is gonna be 2. Text is gonna be white. Text is gonna be semi bold. So this is whenever I hover over it, at the time I want that from is gonna be cyan 500 and 2 is gonna be blue 500 whenever I hover over it. 2 is gonna be blue 500, and duration transition is going to be all for now. Duration is gonna be 100 milliseconds. Easy. Cursor is gonna be pointer. Let's make it 200. This is how it's gonna be looking like. That's fine. Title is not that good. I will take care of title later on. That's not a big problem. Let's go with this much only for now. Share button. It looks like this, and then I will have my links and all at the end of the day. Okay. Mainly, as for the designing, I had better just create a proper designing niche beforehand, and then start working on that. For now, I think this much is better. And then these are the things that I have to take care of. As for these things, class name and your link, and then these buttons. Okay, I'm not gonna have that here. Class name text is gonna be to Excel, and bg linear to r from bg blue 500 to cyan 500 bg click text and text transparent. Okay, font is going to be bold. Why is this not working? Okay, let's go with the blue well, but it should definitely work. Okay, that is working. That's not just visible properly. Let's make it cyan. Let's make it just 400 if possible. Then it looks terrible. Your link. Text is gonna be white. Okay, let's go with the white color as well. Not really big problem for now. How about making it blue? 600 around. 400. 500. That's terribly crazy. BG white. Same I can do with this one as well. The button that I have. Model action button. This is the one. Text is gonna be directly white. Why not? And this is how it's gonna be like looking like. As for this thing, let's go with this. And your link is gonna be here. And these are the two things that are gonna be like horizontally. So flex is gonna be like this. Justify is gonna be between, and make the text white over here as well, and that is it. Anything else? Class name space y3. Okay, this is the link that I'm going to get. Not only that, I have this delete button, that is great. This is flex, so I will make it a class name flex1 as much as it can take. BG is gonna be just white for now. Okay, so it takes the width like this, and what I want at the end of the day, that first of all it should have a background color. Let's give it the same background color that I have over here. Copy the whole thing. I will get rid of the extra things. Cursor pointer, I don't need to have that. Is in, that's okay. Transitional over, not needed. Let's get rid of this as well. Text is gonna be this one, that's fine. Okay, padding 2, text BG linear, this text large. Let's not make it large. It's gonna be like that. And rounded large. That's fine. Padding Y. PX is gonna be 3. It's gonna be like this. And as for PY, let's make it just 1. Let's make it 2. As for this particular button, the delete button, class name PX is gonna be 3, PY is gonna be 2, BG is gonna be blue, and what, 500. It's just gonna be that. and red 500. Let's make it 500. Rounded LG. Let's give it some width and all. Sorry, gap, and gap is gonna be over here. 3. So this is how it's gonna be going on. I can delete the link, and cursor is gonna be pointer. So whenever I hover over it, this is how it's gonna be going on. I need to have a copy button over here. I thought I would be able to end it. Never mind. Today I started, so I will have to finish it too. Let's get it done. Like, how many days will I keep working on this? And copy button. Let's go to Lucid React. Copy. This is the one that I need. Copy JSX. So inside this paragraph I will have my link, and I'm actually gonna have two things. Span this, and one more span, and I will have this copy button, and this particular thing, paste it over here, copy. Let's import it from Lucid React, and I will be having some other design over here. Okay, I will be getting it done. Right side. Right side. Yes side. Right. Am I not gonna get that? Correct. Cross. I'm not getting the right signs. Okay, this is the one. Check line. This will be okay. Copy JSX, and let's paste it over here too. Ultimately, I'm gonna be having two things. Okay, what else? Look at this. Click on this. Not this one. Click on this. It looks like this. I have these things over there. Having said that, class name, let's make it flex for now. Okay, the another thing is that I can make it flex and justify between sorry for that, really suffering nowadays. Alrighty, let's continue. Alrighty, it's crazy. I need to cure myself as soon as possible, otherwise it's gonna be the same thing. But first of all, let's get it done. This particular model, this is fine for now. your link is here. I can just simply copy the link and all. I can delete the link. Overall, this schema is ready. Get rid of this. Let's go to light mode. Click on this again, and it looks like this. Everything is great. Just except this particular thing. It needs to be black. So in the dark mode, it needs to be text black, or maybe blue 500. What is the problem? Your link is here. In the dark mode, I'm giving it text blue. Dark mode, come on. Text white should be in the dark mode, and blue should be normally. One more thing, come on, yeah, these models. I need to fix them. Seriously? Okay, I can fix that, that's not a big problem. Let's click on this, disappears. I'm getting this. And things are fine. Let's close this from here on. And the next thing that I can do, that is creating the link, right? And then once I get the link, I'm gonna show it here. Okay, how am I supposed to get it done? I will just simply getting the link over here only. That means I don't need to worry about anything. Just one thing, few states that I need to have over here. The first state is gonna be const link set link, and that's gonna be use state, and by default it's going to be empty. And what I'll be saying that over here, that if I have the link, I have to show this particular part, otherwise I don't have to show that. So what I mean, that if I have the link, this is the button that I have, and what I want to say that I definitely have my link. If that's triple equals to empty string, in that case do something, otherwise do something. In my first case, I will be rendering this. In my second case, Control X, I will be rendering this. Any problem? No problem as such. Share your second brain, create the link. The link will be created, and that will be shown over here. That's good. What is the next thing that I can do? The next thing that you can do is to collapse these. Let's go to the top. I know I can even make it better. I can just create lots of components and all. That extra thing will be done later on. First of all, today it should be done anyhow. So this much is done. And the another thing is that as soon as I click on this create a share link, where is that button? That button is going to be here, and inside this, as soon as click on this, so on click, handle, create share link, copy this thing from here, Control C, and let's go here at the top, const, paste it here. It's gonna be like this. Now I have to send a request to the database to create this, and done, right? Okay, let's switch it to the dark mode. Not this here. Dark mode. Go here. This is how it looks like. And the next thing that I can do, that a try catch block, and I will be making a request to the database. So const. Sorry for that. Can't really do as I'm suffering. So it's common. Async. Await. I'm gonna be using access over here just because I feel like, as simple as that. I can use any one of them, by the way. So when it comes to this, I have to send a request to this particular URL over here, access dot post, right? Yeah, access dot post, I'll be getting my backend URL, then slash, not even slash, just paste it over here. I will be sending this. Not only this, I will be sending the body as well. Body is gonna be from where? Const share payload. Const share payload, set share payload, and that's gonna be equals to use state. It will have value share, and by default that's gonna be by default what? By default the value of it is gonna be false. Link is not generated. No, it will actually be getting share. No, this is not gonna be okay. I am going to get the share from where? I am going to get the share from the backend itself. By default, let's give the value false, and then I'll make it true and then send the request. Yeah, let's go ahead with this. So response await access API URL, and one more thing that I can click on create share link, and once I got my link, it will still be false by default over here. That is right. Even if I have my link, it will be false. In that case, I don't even need to have this share payload. Let's get rid of this. I will be just creating it conditionally. I can't make it false all the time. So when I'm making sharing a link request from here, so I will be making a share true. This is gonna be my payload, and not only that, the other thing is going to be the credentials. With credentials, that's gonna be include or something. No, then true. With credentials, that's gonna be true. And headers are gonna be what? Headers are gonna be content type, and that's gonna be application JSON. Application/JSON. Okay, so this much I've done. Ultimately, the request is sent with this particular data payload, and once that is done, then I will be getting the response from the backend side. If a response.success that I get, if that's true, in that case I will be doing something, and if that is not true, then I will be doing something. As simple as that. And not only that, if I get the error, so I'll check first of all CLG first of all, and that's gonna be error creating the link, and I will be just logging the error over here. Not only that, if access that I already have XSES error, that the error that I have, that is the XSES error. In that case, and if error dot response that exists, the response that exists, in that case I will be just posting the error message, and let's import it. Dot error message, error dot response dot error response data dot message. Okay, so this thing is done. I will be returning it from here. And if that is not the access error, then that will definitely be a instance of the error. So toast dot error, I will be checking if the error that I have, that is the instance of error class. In that case, I will be just simply returning error dot message, and otherwise I'll simply stringify the error. The bad thing is that I can't even see what I'm writing properly. Come on, error. Just typing by just guessing the things. Okay, the things are getting typed the right way. These suggestions are causing the issue. I don't even need the suggestion, but okay, I'm getting them for no reason. Okay, if a response.success is true, then what? If that is true, in that case, toast.success share link created successfully, and now it is saying that success does not exist. Why? Okay, the response.data.success, sorry, this happens. What is the next thing that I have to do? that set link, and set link is going to be what? First of all, the link is going to be generated like this. How about when I refresh the page? I should be getting the link there as well. That means I have to fetch the link as well. Crazy thing. Never mind, I'll do that anyhow. Set the link, and link is gonna be what? Link is gonna be the response dot data dot data dot link. No. About this thing I am not sure whether this is right or wrong. Let's try it. Let's go to the postman, and I hope I'm logging right now. Login. Password should be right. 1234. Okay, I'm logged in. Let's go to the create link and all. Generate the link. Send it. A share link is created. I just simply get my hash. Wow. So data.link.hash. This is the hash I get. Then what is the next thing that I have to do? Once, okay, I get the URL as well. That's amazing. I'm creating the URL. That's really a good thing. So this is the URL that I'm creating. Sometimes I think it's almost done, but it is not done. There's a lot to do. कोई ना धीरे-धीरे करते हैं. It's not like I can't do it. I can definitely do it, but it is time taking. It will take time. So time की problem करने की नहीं, वो तो कर लेंगे. Let's go on, and first of all I will get my hash, and not only hash, I can directly get my URL, link.url if I'm not wrong. Let's check that thing again. So data.link, and साथ में मुझे URL मिल जाता है, तो data.url is gonna be fine. So once I got my URL, what is the next thing that I have to do? Once I got my URL, either I can copy it or I can just simply click on that. That's right. So that is set. Once that is set, and if there is any error, so toast.error response.data.message. Message will always be there, so I don't even need to getting the call again. Someone. I will have to hang up, end the meeting right now. I'll be back soon, but let me get it this much done. Response.data.message. I hope the meeting will not be ended like this thing. Having said that, I'll have to just leave for 10 minutes around, and then I'll be back and continue from here on.